Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer data from Android to iPhone. So guys, if you are using any Android device and you want to transfer your data from Android to iPhone, so first of all you guys have to do just download the application, share it from the Play Store, and you have to download it on both Android device and iPhone device. So after downloading, just click to open. Now we have this type of interface. So if you want to send file from Android to iPhone, just click send from your Android device, and on the other end we have an iPhone. So all you guys have to do, just open the application of share it on iPhone and then allow it to search nearest device. Now all you guys have to do, just select any photo which you want to share. I'm selecting these two photos and then click to send. So it requires some barcode, but if you want all the file to transfer in iOS, so you can tap it on Apple logo and then click to continue. Now it will be automatically paired by your nearest iPhone device, and then your all the file will be transferred in your iOS device or iPhone device. So that's how we can transfer data in Android to iPhone device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.